How to create an account in Indeed. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an account. First of all, open the application. So here I'm in my home page. Here on the right top, you can see this sign in button. Simply tap on sign in. Now here, there are two different options. Continue with Google, or you can simply add your email address. So it's better you click on continue with Google. Now you can select the ID with which you want to create a new account. So here I'm tapping on one, so it will take some time and it will directly redirect it. Here you also need to enter the mobile number, and here select the region in which you live in and simply enter your mobile number. After that, you'll receive a verification code and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.